We are pleased to have the opportunity to introduce you to this lightweight solution. Welcome to the website emPL.com.vn to introduce and sell the emPL solution, which stands for Email Payslip, or Email Payslip, in the simplest sense. You are the sender of monthly payslips to each employee in the organization. Maybe you send in files such as PDF, or PDF encrypted. If you have to do this manually, even with the help of other paycheck generators, you'll have to encrypt each file, and then email this file to each person in turn. If the organization has hundreds or thousands of people, the work is hard and time-consuming. That's why at VSII we decided to create a sending payslip application to change payroll from a treacherous process into easy, rewarding and insightful experiences. emPL. After setting up the payslip form and having salary data, just press the send email button and all payslips are automatically generated, encrypted, and sent out quickly. First, you need to download the emPL software on the official website emPL.com.vn. After successful installation, the system will display the main interface with 3 easy steps on screen. Upload the salary calculation Excel file. Check. And send email. The software is designed according to the download and use standard. However, for the first-time login, you need to set up an email account used to send payslips to other personnel in the company. After entering the email password, you can choose testing to check again. The system will send a notification if the account is ready to use, and at the same time send a test email to the main account as follows. On other hands, if the password is wrong, the system will also send a notification to the user. Only when your email account is validly tested, you'll be able to use the software to send payslips. The software when downloaded comes with a salary slip template with payroll data in the Excel file. There are 3 payslip templates available, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Individual or more complex templates can be set up through the form features with data fields in this software, or you can contact us to provide consulting services when necessary. There are 2 ways to create an email when you send payslips to each person. That's method 1, and 2. Method 1. Send an email including the payslip file and encrypted PDF and the password to open the file. Or method 2. Send 2 private emails, 1 email with payslip and encrypted PDF and 1 email with password. For some high-security management systems, such as ISO 27001-2015, it is mandatory to send a separate email to notify the password. In this section, we can edit the email content as we want, and put the data fields where we need to fill in the form of the payslip. With information that changes over time or according to the subject of the email, such as employee name, salary calculation time, salary payment date, you can fill in the field names representing this dynamic information. For example, to compose more information about the number of man-day in the month, you just need to right-click to copy the number of working days in the month, and then paste it in the body email, where you need to fill this data. You can add new information fields above according to your company's Excel spreadsheet very easily. For example, with the field of salary payment from, currently in the 2nd row of the 4th column in the Excel table, we can change it to the 3rd row of the 4th column. After this operation, the system will get the salary data starting date in the cell D3 instead of cell D2 as the original. After you have saved the information and set up the email content, you can start operating the main steps in the software. The first is to upload the Excel payroll file. You can drag and drop the file or select the file in your computer. Step 2, checking. So I have a batch of payslip right here. This is where I can validate everything at once and I will be able to look individual payslip by clicking on. So, let's go ahead and check one out. After clicking View Details, you can check the payslip content on a certain line, see how it appears, how the payslip looks in the hands of the recipient. Last step, send email. Click on Pack and Send. During the sending process, the software will change the status from NA to OK for successfully sent emails. You can stop and resume your work at any time. Even when the software is turned off on the computer, The system will still save the last step information the user has taken. You can choose to delete to return to step 1, if you don't want to send it for some reason. With emPL, the job of sending payslip to all employees is extremely easy and accurate. Instead of spending a lot of time and manpower manually sending emails, now, you just need a few simple steps, and the computer will do the rest for you. Please visit the website emPL.com.vn or contact us as following information for instructions on registering an account. Thank you for your interest in the products of Viet Software International.